What's so good about our AI machine learning trading system here is that it produces back testing results for you, and it gives you the best markets to trade, the best time frames for this strategy, and of course the trades that have taken every single time a signal was produced. So let's take a little look at one of our core trading strategies here, which is the momentum trigger. Now, if you took all the signals produced from the momentum trigger over the last 5 years with a £10,000 trading account, you'd end up with £9,682,781 profit, guys, starting with a £10,000 initial balance. Okay, what the great thing about using our AI here is these are the back testing results. It gives you also the signals going forward, but it will give you the signals in the best markets. This is not some basic chart platform that's stuck in some AI that gives you some patterns. I mean, that's already out there. That's been done years and years ago. This actually will give you the best markets to trade, what's happened over the last 5 years, what's the best month, in fact, what's the best day as well. You can see for this strategy here, why would you want to do this so much on a Thursday? Because the profits are, even though we've got nice profits, they're less than they are on a Monday and a Tuesday, Wednesday and a Friday. So we know that those days are fantastic. The AI has worked that out. Now it starts to machine learn, and as it goes forward and as more trades go through, it starts to give you what the best markets. And we can see what the best, worst markets are based on those last 5 years for this trading strategy. So there's no guesswork. You're trading with confidence, and you're looking at this strategy, which is a very simple, powerful trading strategy that gives you the best chance of making consistent profits. And if you can build that confidence into your strategy or into your trading, then you're going to go forward and trade with lots of fun, less stress. Best market is the FTSE 100. Best time frame is the 1 hour. It says the worst time frame is the 2 hour here, but in fact the worst time frame, basically it still make a huge amounts of profits. Okay, and you can see that the worst pattern is basically telling you that the worst profit is here. Okay, so buy signals are the best, and then the worst market is the euro dollar for this strategy. So we know the FTSE is the best, and it could well be the DAX that's up there as well. And we could basically look at a heat map as well and see that, you know, the majors here are producing fantastic profits with our trading strategy. And we know that year after year we can make some nice consistent profits. Okay, so £9 million profit with a £10,000 trading account, trading this strategy with every signal. Now, of course, how are you going to transfer this into real markets and real trading? Because that's what it's all about. Well, what we do is we promote it to live signals, guys, and then you get the signals direct to your phone as well. All right, so once there's a signal in a particular market, and you can set your own risk, but it does that for you. It will give you the best risk parameters as well. It will give you the highest win rates on the particular FX pairs as well. You just promote it to live signals, and then you use those signals to trade the markets. Let's take another look at something a bit more active. Let's look at our day trading signals with our German DAX, with our pro trading system that's been in operation for nearly 15 years. Let's show this now. So we dived into today's DAX, German DAX 5-minute chart, and you can see here this morning our first trade of the day was with our pro trend system. It went from red to green. It gave us a buy signal, then closed red here for a handsome profit in this zone. Then we turned red. It told us to get out the trade. No longer, you could have shorted it there, absolutely no problem whatsoever. So the machine is doing it all for you. You're just following the colors, guys. We get a buy signal down here. We get a red signal to exit, buy signal, red signal to exit, buy signal, red signal to exit. And this area here, you could have taken a short trade. But look how much it's given you in the long side of things. We've had some lovely long side trades. Now the features behind it, you see these numbers here? These numbers are automatically projected for you. The machine is doing the work for you, telling you where you could bank some of the profits, actually where to enter, where to place your stop, where the profit targets are. You could easily just wait for the green and reds to change color, because behind the system is a very powerful algorithm telling you that this is the time to get out the trade because there's more sellers coming in or there's more buyers. But if you were trading this morning's session on the German DAX, all you had to do was follow. Now, if you go into the system here, you could actually change and see the history of all the trades that have taken place. You can see using the numbers here, and it becomes a little bit complicated, or I'd say a little bit crowded here, but this allows you to look and see whether you made profit at these numbers previously today. And let me give you an example. This buy signal right here was at that line. It was generated automatically for you. Your stop placement was here. These areas here, these numbers are where you've got to do something. You've got to bank some profits, and then it turns red and you exit the trade, just like a traffic light system. This one here, nice buy signal. There's your stop. Got to do something there, got to do something there, got to do something there. And when we say do something, we just turn on our trailing stop, and it just tells you to trail your stop until it turns red, guys. All right, so it's a really easy, straightforward system. It shows you most definitely when to get in, when to get out, and it's all the time generating these AI profit targets, entries, and stop loss order for you. It also gives you your risk parameters. You just input your account size, and then it will work out your position size on each and every single trade. One size does not fit all. The German DAX is more volatile than the FTSE 100 or the euro dollar. So it's going to give you different parameters depending on the market, which is perfect. Not one size. The euro's not the same as the German DAX. So you've got to adapt to the market you're trading. That's what the Pro Trading system and the machine does for you here automatically. Hope it helps, guys. I'll speak to you soon.